These are the letters, the official letters, which we received from the following. An official letter was sent to us by His Holiness Mari Emmanuel III, Yonan, Patriarch of the Ancient Church of the East. We are kissing your right hand, Your Holiness, and as your humble servant, I beseech you to always keep me in your prayers, Your Holiness. His Beatitude, Mari Emmanuel, Metropolitan of Baghdad and Basra, Iraq, of the Ancient Church of the East. My older brother, I love you and I will always love you. His Holiness, Mar Ignatius Ephraim II, Patriarch of the Syriac Orthodox Church. Awon Aliyo Maria Alaha Nwarich Al-Khon May the Lord always bless you, Your Holiness. An official letter was also received from the Papal Legate, Father Joshua Tadros, to His Holiness Pope Tawadros II, Bishop Daniel of the Coptic Diocese of Sydney. To our beloved Bishop Daniel, we love you very much so, and His Holiness Pope Tawadros II, I need your prayers, Your Holiness, always. To the entire beloved Coptic Church, the Orthodox Coptic Church, I am indebted forever. An official letter from His Grace Antoine Charbel Tarabai, Bishop of Maronite Church, Australia. Your Grace, thank you so much, and I beg you to keep me in your prayers. Fathers Elias Maron Garios and Father Pierre Matar, Saint Maron, Baal, Lebanon. Lebanon always holds a very special place in my heart. I always pray for the safety of Lebanon and my beloved people who live in Lebanon in all its factions. Deputy Mayor Councillor Charbel Saliba, Fairfield City Council, New South Wales, thank you very much. Mr. Samir Youssef, Chaldean League of Australia, thank you very, very much. Flowers that we've received as well, and I'm absolutely humbled. Most Reverend Archbishop Anthony Fisher, OP, Roman Catholic Church, Australia. Your Eminence, I kiss your right hand in utmost love and humility, and I beseech you to keep me in your praise, Your Eminence. His Grace Archbishop Makarios, Greek Orthodox Archbishop of Australia. And what a beautiful Eastern Orthodoxy, our beloved Greek Church. Your Eminence, I kiss your right hand in humility and love, and I ask you to keep me in your praise. Reverend Father Robert Pio Albaye, St. John Paul II Parish, Maronite Monastery in Ryde, Sydney. Thank you very much, dear Father. And this is from our beloved, the Islamic faith, Sheikh Mustafa Badri, from the Shiite faction, head of Dawoodi Bohra community, Sydney, Auburn. Thank you, my dear brother and friend. This is from families, Daniel and Layla Abdullah family, prominent Maronite family. They are not just Maronite family, they are my family. I love you very much though, dear Danny and Layla. Also, flowers received from the Mayor of Cumberland Council, Lisa Lake, and councillors and staff. I'm absolutely humbled, dear Mayor. God bless you and the entire staff, the entire councillors, the entire Council of Cumberland. This is from an opera singer from Croatia who was on a visit in recent times to Australia and to Sydney, and we had the privilege and the blessing to meet him in person. Stjepo Gled Marcos, he's a tenor, opera singer from Croatia. God bless you and bless your family and bless our beautiful Croatia and the entire people of Croatia. This is flowers received from Dr. Abir Ramo and family. Thank you, dear doctor. God bless you. And also flowers received from the Assyrian Sports and Cultural Club, Fairfield Heights, Sydney, Australia. Thank you very much to the president and all the committees and everyone who works in the Assyrian Sports and Cultural Club. First Corinthians 13:8, love never fails. This is our Christian faith. But above all, this is our Christ, who is all love and always taught to love one another. Because God is love, and the Lord Jesus, He is God revealed in the flesh, period.